All right, guys, I've got a little bit of a tech tip for you guys. What'd you do?
Nothing.
If you've got a coolant reservoir or windshield wiper fluid reservoir that is just nasty and looks like crap, I'm going to show you guys a quick tip how to clean them out. Obviously, first of all, get it out of your car. Second of all, kitty litter, or maybe rice would work, or I would salt, probably like good coarse salt. You want to put a good amount in there so that this is going to help break up all the stuff that's caught up inside of the in the reservoir. And then bleach, which sounds terrible, smells terrible, but it is the best. So actually, Ed, can you hold this for me real quick?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get my nice hoodie all messed up. Huh? I'm just kidding. I was talking about getting into it anyways.
Well, but 5 minutes ago, you were talking like you were bound about it.
Bound about it.
All right.
Leaking there, but
Yes, we are. Where are we leaking from? All right. So now what we want to do is cover some holes, and then you're going to do this for a lot longer than you want to. But shake it up, and that's going to break down all the stuff. I mean, you can see already the color of stuff that's come out of there. It's pretty disgusting. So we've shaken it all up. We're just going to pour the nastiness out. It's pretty gross.
And it smells so bad.
What are you talking about?
Oh no. It
Doesn't
smells
smell.
so bad.
It does. It's pretty nasty. Then you're going to want to rinse this out. Look at the inside already.
Look at that white. Back to its future or previous glory.
So you spend a while rinsing it out and getting all the nasty out of it. Fill it up a little bit, shake her a little bit more. Alright, so that's good for now. We'll do more rinsing after we do the outside. So for the outside, I'll use basically the same thing. It's real simple. Just a red Scotch-Brite, a little bit of bleach, and this is where the magic happens. This is because you clean the inside. When you clean the outside, you just scrub it a little bit like that. Ooh, girl, looks so good already. Now, just like that, it's not perfect, but it's a heck of a lot better than it was, and it's gonna look a heck of a lot better in your engine bay. So give that a shot. Let me know how you guys do it in the comments, and send us some pics on Instagram if you guys trying this, especially you 240 guys. There's nothing worse than a 240 or a 180 coolant reservoir. It's pretty nasty. So that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. Just takes a little time.